find it strange that you're wandering in this place. I thought it changed, but the more it stays the same. Which one of us will look away? Say the words that we don't say. Have I been taken by you one more time? My mind, it's like we never looked into each other's eyes. Have no one here saying it's wrong.
So what else? How's everybody doing? What's going on in your world? The sheet can't work yet. But yeah, good gear and know-how, man. A little bit of munch, a little bit of trail mix. I've got dehydrated fruit, water, tool belt, good boots, breathable, semi-waterproof jacket, you know, a couple of layers, multi-tool torch, and food, that's my hydration, that's it. Oh, and a medical kit. I did that's what I didn't need anything, just a bit of surgical spirit. Yeah. Nothing serious. Yeah, I'm cool. Oh, there we go. I'm cool. I'm a pain, but it's... No, I'm kidding. It's not that sore. Yeah, Chris, that's for you, mate. That was just a Leatherman. I pinched it. I don't know if you can see. Got a bit of a blood blister. And drained it soon. As it happens, well, within seconds rather than minutes. Stuck some surgical spirits on it, and it's good as well. In about 20 minutes. Good. Anyway, yeah, oh, and I used a bit of masking tape just to stem the bleeding. Anyway, so that's it. That's the second gauge, so I thought I'd film this one. So it's one gauge there. I don't know, it's roughly 2 inches maybe. So like that, so we're going to see if we can adjust it in. Right, hang on a second. Not going to move. Right, so here's the result. A quick gate adjustment, didn't even take 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, just under. And the result is that. Well, kind of open, leaving it open. And this cow's coming. Almost been under there. Okay. Look at that. Majestic. What timing? Hi guys. Gate. 10mm. Also works well now. Everybody. It's a bit easier. Here we go. Well, nice little walk. Anyway, that's that really.